Oh no. No way.
We got the headphones. See that?
Dang.
Otra vez red.
No good. Come on.
So this mode, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Change your outlets. Hopefully the people are like, huh? What's the driver doing?
He wants to get the hell out of there. That's what he wants to do.
Yeah. Very true.
And the sun is not helping.
Oh my god. The glare. 54 minutes till sunset is crazy. 54 minutes. It's crazy. We're going to the mall. Yeah.
Show.
At least that's what the GPS said.
How are we gonna get out of here, bro?
Yeah.
16 minutes by now. You're on the fastest route. You should reach your destination.
Either way. Wrong side. Oh damn. Oh.
GPS is telling me to go back at it.
Oh my god.
So
My GPS is telling me to go to Congress.
no, to come back, to go back.
Oh my god. And to make that good turn? Or a bad turn?
There's gotta be a way out of here.
Proceed to the
We're crossing
At the
all
next
that
light,
traffic
turn left.
From over there.
Yeah, I highly doubt it. Let's gotta make a right after. Imagine people be like, oh my god, why is there a bus here? With people in the mall.
Well, I was in Publix before.
Yeah. Publix. Come on. I know.
These people are not even helping, man. But
Yeah,
screaming and yelling and acting like
Like, huge
In a quarter mile, turn left.
Uh-oh, a roadblock. Nice way to start my evening.
executive center.
Suck it up, buttercup.
Oh, making it tight for me, huh? Oh shit.
Here it goes.
In 800
this bus
feet,
make
turn
it?
left.
Did the bus make it? Maybe.
Sit down. Now. Who wants to go
Proceed to the route. In a quarter mile, turn left.
No one? I think. My god, this week has been so eventful so far.
Very. Shooting,
More
crashes.
crash, mall.
Should I make a right over there and then what happens? if I
Yeah.
make a right? It's not being nice to people.
Yeah, right. Here it goes.
Oh, my goodness.
We ain't going to I-95.
This reminds me of New Jersey with the mall.
Oh wow. Does it?
Yeah.
Damn. Here we go.
Go ahead, Mama. See.
Damn.
Don't like that.
Saks Fifth Avenue. Damn. Saks Fifth.
Oh, Lord.
442.
Look at this.
Yeah, they do. We've been having home goods for a while, since around 2017-ish.
So, if I make a right, where the hell are we gonna end up? We still gotta go all the way to.
Yeah.
In a quarter mile, turn left.
Away from the traffic, because the traffic's being a buffoon right now.
Still traffic. Come on, people. Hurry up.
Yeah.
Proceed to the right.
Gotta go.
Come on.
But the question is if this has
Proceed to the right.
that's it. Or maybe more than
Yay, we made it. We made the turn successfully.
telling me to go around.
No.
Make a left over there.
Make a right after the two. We go fine.
Proceed to the right. Proceed to the right.
Is that Valley Road?
Proceed to the right.
Oh, what kind of car is that? Horse.
Proceed to the right.
Here we go, we're making a right. Ooh. Taxi, Lyft, Uber.
That's it.
Oh wow. Oh, at least it's not as far. Like, here you go. I'm not listening, yard. Come on.
At the next light, turn left.
Ding, 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 ding.
Because there's so much traffic.
We gotta get out of here.
There's still traffic.
For real.
Ace is too damn cold.
Man, this traffic taking forever. Stop and go traffic.
We waited all that time in traffic and we moved that far. I mean, look. Look where that building is.
Oh no. 900 feet North Congress. No way. What the hell?
Oh my god. Boulevard, there's a parking lot. A lot of traffic.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way you call dispatch.
I did.
Damn.
I'm telling them that before. Avoid Palm Beach Lake. As soon as you get on the 95, you can't get up from Palm Beach Gate. It's just back on the 95.
Oh wow. The drivers know.
People stop going shopping. Buy everything online. Have a seat. Coño.
Remain perfectly seated. Not like slouching around. Here we go. Ding 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 ding.
You know the way they make.
The hell?
They're yelling like a stupid ass.
Time for a squeegee time.
The way they build this this parking lot, they don't have no other back ways to get around it and go to a main road, you know?
Dang. No way.
Yeah.
Traffic sucks. 4:50. Oh no, we gotta clock out late again. No good. No good. 800 feet.
I just want to like say like a hi. Like,
That guy's so clumsy.
Man,
I know, you're clumsy.
clumsy. Well, that's for being clumsy. My God. God save my soul.
Please.
Save our soul. I'm hungry. I want to eat something. I want to eat a burger joint.
That's what all I'm thinking about is that fried pork chop.
Left and out.
Look at this guy.
That was my friend's shirt.
What happens if I make a left? Where end up? What road is that?
Huh? I don't know.
Not
The
a
left?
road. It's not a road.
Hey. I don't know about that road, but I'll study it. It's no good now. Nothing good.
You look at me, I'm blocking the road.
Tell that to the rest of the bus. Tell that to the rest of the bus.
just make it.
Oh, Dios.
Dios mío.
Dios, help me. Huh? Can you what? For what? Oh, okay. Go ahead. We're not moving much.
Alright. You're clear.
Stop that! Not a child.
How old are y'all? Exactly. Wow, Lord, they don't know how to behave.
Oh, yeah.
At least I got my water and I still have my
That's
water.
Congress Avenue. What the hell?
It's traffic light, man. And pedestrian and the other traffic.
Go, people. What the hell? Go.
Uh-oh. Here comes security.
We got a cop.
They're not so nice popos. What's the price of a lot?
Oh, my God.
Yo, man. Careful.
Way better park here.
Oh, shit. Look at that thing. That thing looks like the Batmobile. I gotta get me one of those to get around.
Yeah. He left like 35 minutes ago.
What? Oh, my goodness. Now I gotta make it to work. What time we go to work today?
I was supposed to be there at 5.
Oh, forget it.
You might
You
want to
wanna
call
use my phone? Call up?
You gotta call your boss. No.
Listen, boss. Bus driver crazy.
What?
Bus driver crazy.
You're not crazy.
A little bit.
Oh well. Oh wait, that's how they're gonna react.
I'm not giving nobody a chance.
Almost there, mates.
Shit.
And I'm hungry as hell.
Yes, and we're 2.6 miles away from the 1651 brandy wine.
I'm not stopping roads.
Sure.
Not looking good.
Put these sandwiches.
Not looking good. 450 feet. Yay, let's go!
Get the hell out of my way, man.
Real. Hey, where you going? Where you going?
Right.
You gotta make a
Turn right,
left.
going back on Poppy Street.
Oh, damn it. Why you didn't tell me that before, man?
You were supposed to know.
Oh, man. Jesus. Can I make a U-turn over there?
No, you're good. You're gonna make a left.
Yeah. My GPS was saying make it right. That's why I was looking at it.
That's suspicious.
I'm right now. I'm ready to freaking go right through the red light, man.
Oh wow.
There go real.
Hey.
All right, man. So GPS now, man.
In about 2